In this video, I'm going to give my quick review of the Fancyall electric power washer. I got off of Amazon for 150 bucks. Sometimes I've seen them on sale for 100 bucks, but I've had this now for over a month. Off the bat, the one reason I like it is because it's an electric that you connect to the wall and not a gas powered. I've had gas power pressure washers before. They are very powerful, but they are a lot of upkeep, and of course you have to fill them up with gas. They stink of gas, and there seems like that there's more movable parts. They're more expensive, and if you have a home, you really don't need a gas-powered electric, or you don't need a gas-powered pressure washer. So first of all, it's very, very, very lightweight. And as a matter of fact, the reviews on Amazon, it's got about 1,000 positive reviews in general, and it gets about 4 out of 5 stars as far as reviews. The complaints is that it is very lightweight, so people think it's not as durable. They've got a couple people have gotten them in and they haven't worked. So remember what you're paying for it. It's 150 bucks. You know, it's not a fortune, and don't expect too much, but don't be surprised of how powerful it is. And I'll turn it on here in a second. So it's good. It's got the easy dial where you can just turn it on, and as you can see here, this is my spray lance, and it comes with four different tips that you connect on the bottom, from 0 degrees to 45 degrees, to give you different spraying pressure. One is straight on, of course, and one is a spray where you can water plants and everything. A lot of times I won't even use it with the tips. I'll just actually use it without it, and it does one strong spray. It does come with a foam holder, foam canister that it will connect here, and I don't even use that either. That's where you can put soap on it. I just would rather use my own soap, like on my car, and use dishwasher detergent, wash it good, and then spray wash it. And it's got for the electric, it's got the GFCI safety cord, because when you're mixing water with electricity, you got to be careful. What's cool about it is it's got not only the on and off on the pressure washer, but it's got the on and off right here as well. And of course, there's my hose, and the garden's hose is connected directly to my unit. Again, it's very, very lightweight. I like the wheels. It's got 2 wheels to move it. I like the length. So we got a total of like 55 total feet. So the power cord itself, I believe, is 35 feet. And then after you get that, the length of this is 20 feet, I believe. The garden hose, the lance spray, is connected, is actually another 20 feet. So it's 55 feet total. And of course, you can always get an extension cord and add more length if you want to. It's very powerful. Let's go ahead and turn it on, and I'll show you how powerful it is. And make sure we're connected there. It's green, so we're connected. And probably need to get a better connection there on the hose. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Get my spray lance. So as you can see, pretty darn powerful. For 150 bucks, I don't think you can go wrong with it. Like I said, it's got 4 out of 5 star positive reviews. And after using it for over a month, I'm pretty happy with it. Very lightweight, easy to store. And go ahead and put in the comment section if you bought one, and tell me what you think of it. And make sure you subscribe.